Have you ever found yourself in a pinch, needing something but not having the funds to pay for it up front? Zippay has emerged as a popular solution, offering buy now, pay later options. But does this convenience come at a cost? Today, we're diving deep into the question, does Zippay charge interest? Building context, before we get into the specifics, let's understand how Zippay works. Essentially, Zippay allows you to split your purchase into interest-free installments. It's a tempting proposition, especially for those looking to avoid high-interest credit cards. However, there's more to the story than meets the eye. The interest-free myth, one of the biggest misconceptions about Zippay, is that it's always interest-free. While this is true under certain conditions, there are instances where interest can come into play. Late payments. If you fail to make your payments on time, Zippay can impose interest charges. These charges can be significant, so it's crucial to stick to the payment schedule. Hardship fees. In some cases, Zippay may charge hardship fees if you're unable to make your payments due to unforeseen circumstances. These fees can vary depending on your situation. Understanding Zippay's terms. To get a clear picture of Zippay's interest policies, it's essential to carefully read the terms and conditions. These documents will outline the specific circumstances under which interest can be charged. Interest rates. If interest is applicable, the terms will also specify the interest rate. This rate can vary depending on factors such as your credit history and the purchase amount. Payment plans. The terms may also outline different payment plans and the associated fees or interest charges for each plan. Alternative payment options. While Zippay can be a convenient option, it's important to consider other alternatives before making a decision. There are other buy now, pay later services available, and each may have different interest policies. Competitors. Research other popular buy now, pay later services and compare their interest rates, fees, and terms. Traditional financing. If you have a good credit score, you may be able to obtain a loan or credit card with lower interest rates. Tips for using Zippay responsibly. If you decide to use Zippay, here are some tips to help you avoid interest charges and use the service responsibly. Pay on time. Always make your payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. Set a budget. Before using Zippay, create a budget to ensure you can afford the installments. Read the fine print. Carefully review the terms and conditions to understand Zippay's interest policies. Consider alternatives. Explore other payment options to see if they offer more favorable terms. Conclusion. So, does Zippay charge interest? The answer is, it depends. While Zippay generally offers interest-free installments, there are circumstances where interest can be imposed. It's essential to understand the terms and conditions and use Zippay responsibly to avoid unnecessary charges. By being informed and making wise decisions, you can leverage Zippay's benefits without falling into debt. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.